Today I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of your OneDrive app on your mobile device, whether you're using Android or iOS. By the end of this quick video, you'll know how to log out of your account securely so your files stay private, especially important if you're switching devices, handing your phone to someone else, or just need to take a break from syncing. No matter your reason, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with Android devices. Go ahead and unlock your phone and locate the OneDrive app icon. It usually has those recognizable blue clouds. Tap to open it. Now, once you're inside the app, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see what's called the Me icon. It might be your profile photo, or if you haven't set one, just a simple placeholder silhouette. Give that a tap. Tapping the Me icon leads you into your personal settings area, the control room for your OneDrive app, if you will. From here, you'll see a list of options. Find and tap on Settings. Sometimes it's tempting to poke around other menus, but Settings is where you'll always find the Sign Out option. Once inside Settings, you'll see your account name listed. If you have more than one account connected, maybe a work and a personal account, be sure to select the specific one you want to sign out of. Just tap on the account name. This keeps things neat and precise, especially if you're not signing out of all accounts at once. With your account page open, look for Sign Out. On some Android versions, it's sitting in the top right corner. On others, you might need to scroll down a little. It could be tucked away at the very bottom. Take a moment to find it. Once you tap Sign Out, you'll get a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure. This is just a safeguard to prevent you from logging out by accident. Go ahead and tap OK. Don't worry if it takes a second or two. The app needs a moment to process your request and clear your account from the device. Alright, now let's switch gears to iOS devices. So if you're on an iPhone or iPad, this part is for you. Open up the OneDrive app just like before. On an Apple device, your profile icon, or sometimes just your initials, are located up in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap that spot gently. This will drop you into your account overview. Next, just like on Android, look for the Settings option and tap on it. Apple likes to keep things tidy, so you'll likely see the list of any connected accounts. Find the specific account you want to remove. It's easy to overlook if you have multiple sign-ins. Once you've tapped on the account, you'll see the option to sign out. Go ahead and tap that, and if you get a prompt to confirm, just confirm your decision. That's it. OneDrive will log you out and your files will no longer be accessible from this device, keeping everything safe and sound. And there you have it. Whether you're Team Android or Team Apple, the process is straightforward but important to understand. Remember, signing out ensures your cloud files remain private, especially if you're sharing your device or troubleshooting any sync issues. If you have any questions or if you got stuck at any point, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more simple, clear tech guides, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.